Sadly, we are not allowed to drive them today, but I will show you exhaust after exhaust and we can hear them, and that's all what you need to fall in love with these cars, because that's the most amazing thing about the A12 with our exhaust. The sound is crazy. And yeah, oh, it. We drive one. Okay guys, let's go. They told me I shouldn't drive, but anyway. So this car has the most stunning, perfect sound what you can imagine. But you can't hear it right now because there is a little button. What we push now. Now we are talking. Okay. Oh god. I would like to drive always around 3000 RPM like this. You hear this? In my opinion, this car, those downshifts, you have nothing to compare, nothing. SVJ is only loud, that's it. It's loud, okay, I understand this. But this sound, how can you compare this? Please tell me how. SVJ is loud, I got it. But this car with this exhaust, you can listen to this in the gym, going to bed, whatsoever. It's perfect. It's really perfect. That's heavenly. You hear that? Let's give it the beans. I'm lost of words. I have no idea what I can say to you guys. I think it's the best we only listen to this beast. Josh will give you some flybys. We have some car-to-cars, everything, and you only listen to this. That's it. This is the sound what you need. That's the nothing to compare, nothing. Except you have an old Formula 1 car from 1999 or something, then okay, we don't talk about that. But every car what you can buy right now, you know anything? Yeah, I know F12. Okay, that's yeah, it's nearly the same car. Like, let's do it again. What? 6,000, 7,000, 8,000, and 9. That's stupid. I have no words. I have absolutely no words. I love this car. What else do you need? What else? We have a tunnel. What else should we do? Roll down the windows and downshift 1. Let's go. You hear the echo outside? You hear it from like 1 kilometer away. One more. Oh God. Oh guys, I need to stop. We need to talk outside again. Okay, so first up we have the Coupe. That's one of 3 cars. 840 horsepower, naturally aspirated V12, what sounds amazing, you hear it already. This car has everything what you need. It sounds crazy, it's fast, and it looks amazing. It looks mean. It looks like it would eat you alive. I mean, look at this car. It doesn't even need to move to scare your neighbors. If you park it in front of your house, push the throttle a little bit, everybody in the street will be scared, I guarantee you that. That's the sound of fear, what I mean. So next up, the 812 GTS N-Largo S. 840 horsepower, the same like the Coupe. V12, same like the Coupe, but with one add-on, and that's no roof. That's the car for those who live life in the fullest. You can drive without the roof into the sunset. You can hear the exhaust screaming directly behind your ears. That's totally crazy. And maybe you remember the gray car what we did. That was number 1 of 3 with the blue stripe. We will show you some videos now. And finally, we go over to the 1of1. That's the 812 N-Largo S Coupe, but fully invisible carbon with Tiffany accents, Tiffany stripes. So this isn't just a car, this car is a statement. And the statement is you made it, because who else have a full visible carbon Ferrari with Tiffany accent, and it's a 1of1. So you're the only guy in the world who's driving this car. It's like wearing a smoking and going to a street race. You look classy, but will destroy everybody. Doesn't matter who. On this car especially, we did all our parts what you know already on the Coupe and Spider version. like the front bumper, the fenders, the bonnet, the rear bumper, ducktail, side skirts, everything in carbon, what is also on those cars in carbon. But on this one we did all invisible carbon. And extra to that we did all the parts like roof and doors also in carbon on this one. So we have like 3 times more hours to spend to finish this car than we do on a normal N-Largo, what is totally crazy. So that means also for us it's an end of an era, because the A12 N-Largo is finally done. And it's a sad moment because these cars are really recognizable in every country on the world. Everybody knows some videos like the white one in London who's screaming and scaring some kids on the street because it's so loud. So yeah, for my opinion, one of the most beautiful cars. I said it before, the sound of an A12 N-Largo, or of the A12 with our exhaust, you can hate me, but it's the best. There's no SVJ, there's no LFA what can compare to this sound if you hear it in live, because on the video it's always something different. I know that by myself, but come here and hear it live. If you like this video, please feel free, subscribe, hit the like button. Please let us know what you think is the best version of our A12 N-Largos. Which color would you choose for your A12 N-Largo? I guess I can show you for the very last time the difference between a normal A12 and our A12 N-Largo carbon version. You see the difference what I told you? A12 N-Largo S, normal A12. This one looks better, way better. This one sounds not so good. Okay, that's it. So guys, we see us next time. Ciao.